Our very first sort to write is bubble sort, and its claim to fame is that it's pretty much the easiest one that we learn how to write. The idea is that the biggest numbers are going to bubble their way up the array until they get to the top. So we'll start with this one. And bubble sort just looks at the very first two numbers. So the first numbers, 5 and 2. And it checks those, and if they're in the right order, it leaves them and goes to the next two, and if they're in the wrong order, it's going to switch them. So it looks at these two and says, oh, wrong order, and 2 and 5, we're just going to swap. Then it looks at the next two, looks at 5 and 0, and they're out of order, so it's going to write a 0 here and a 5 here. Now it looks at these two. They're not in the right order either, so it's going to switch them, 3 and 5. It looks at these two. They are in the right order, so it's going to keep them, 5, 7. These two are in the wrong order. It's going to switch them, 1, 7. These two are in the wrong order. It's going to switch them, 4, 7. And these two are in the wrong order. It's going to switch them, 6, 7. So that's its first pass through. Then it's going to do it again. So our biggest number in the array, though, you see that, ended up way back here. So we'll do it again. These two, so they're in the wrong order, so it's going to swap them. 0 goes here, 2 goes here. These two in the right order, so it's going to keep them. Next ones, they're in the right order, it's going to keep them. These two, wrong order, so it's going to swap those two. 1 goes here, 5 goes here. These two, wrong order, swap them. 4 goes here, 5 goes here. Correct order, keeps those. We're going to go through again. 0 and 2 is the right order, the wrong order. So the 1 is making its way down, the 3 is going to make its way up. The right order, the right order, the right order, the right order. See how we're getting this end of the list is getting so it's pretty well sorted, and this side we're still working on. So the biggest numbers bubble that direction, and then the smaller numbers end up being shoved back down. All right, let's do it again. We've got 0 and 2, swap these two, 1 and 2, check these, check these, check these. Now some orders that these could be in would require more trips through the array than this one, but that's your starter for bubble sort.